Oh, never did get the last couple checks from a guy I was working with, teaching me how to do this stuff. So my old one I brought from Ohio is dead, R22. It was just air conditioner only. That one died. When I got here was one he said was a good one from a lady named Pat. But pressurize it, you use it, overnight it dies, heat pump dies. Somewhere I got a leak in here and I can't figure out where my leak is. He won't take my calls just like most of the time. So I gotta make a Tennessee water tank here, dunk it in here, and see where the leak is. Tennessee water tank. We'll see how it goes. I got 0 bubbles, 150 pounds of pressure, no bubbles anywhere. It's completely submerged under. Here's the only system I had. Here's the only system that I had from Rodney Givens. They said it was good from a lady named Pat that we got. She went to a bigger, better unit. This thing kept leaking off and leaking off and leaking off every couple of days down to 0. So I recently just added service valves here and here and kept them closed so I could inject coolant into the system and watch the A coil and watch the gauges. They didn't move for a whole week. That also allows me to keep them closed and vacuum down different systems I could plug into these ports here and find one that worked. Well, I finally figured what was wrong with hers, why hers was leaking down. And then just basically pull a vacuum here like I always do. It won't affect anything from here back. This is all pressurized and vacuumed down before. I don't have any leaks anywhere, but where the leak was right here. This top one had a little loop, had a hole in it. So I cut that off and moved it down one, so I did. Now it's holding good pressure. It's a great 4-ton unit, so let's get it hooked back up. This is my primary heat source. And all this crap and mess was a result of just a mess. But I finally found the leak. And this allows me to literally always just close these valves and cut this off if I ever need to and put another system in here. Vacuum it down from these 2 ports like I always would do normally. Then we'll get it all vacuumed down, open these 2 up, coolant's all good. And I can check pressure on the A coil alone or in the system alone by doing this. I got no ductwork on here whatsoever, or a drain, or an output. It's just wide open blowing. I got 150 degrees.